Hi guys, today I want to discuss about door installation procedures and about wooden doors. I've been having so many issues about this subframe and this installation foam. So today guys, I want to discuss about the difference between these two. So it depends on your choice and it depends on which of them do you want. So guys, so we are back to site. We're about to install some doors here. So these are the doors available for installation. Doors we're about to install here. So but before I proceed, I need to discuss about the difference between the subframe and the foam gum. This is what we call the subframe. This wood, sometimes it can be a skeleton wood like this. Sometimes you can also make it like this. It's just a wood that we need on the wall that will hold the main frame of this door. This is the door. This door comes, this HDF door comes with the frame, the keys, and the handle and all set. But this subframe doesn't come with subframe. Now let's talk about this subframe. This is the subframe that will hold this door firmly on the wall. It's either you use this subframe or you use this thing called foam gum. So, but in most of our job, we do recommend using this subframe because the weight of this door is something that needs more energy to hold it on the wall. But this foam gum can do the job as well, but the difference is just that it requires a lightweight door, but it is used in some projects. So guys, this is why I need to explain the difference between this subframe and the foam gum. And the price of door is not together with the cost or with the price of subframe. The subframe needs to have been installed before tiling, doing rendering. This is how subframe looks like. This is another subframe on the wall here. So this is what is going to hold all this door. You can see it has been hung already. We have subframe on all the walls already. So it's going to make our job easier and faster and stronger. So guys, this is what subframe looks like. This is the store area. So this is why